Hi everyone, welcome back to African Yoga Girl YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some yoga stretches for shoulder and neck pain, and we are going to start off on the mat with child's pose. This is a very short practice, just for 10 to 11 minutes. All you need is a space, a very comfortable space, and you're good to go. So guys, get comfortable. Let's get started. Begin to stretch your arms forward to the fingertips and take those gentle deep breaths. You can begin to adjust yourself as you need, and we're going to slowly move into puppy pose. Puppy pose is perfect because it has a way of opening up the shoulders and the back. You don't necessarily have to lift up your legs like this, but you can do that if you want to give yourself a little push. After the puppy pose, we're going to take our left hand in between our knees. So you're on your knee as though you are in puppy pose, but you're just taking your left hand in between your knees. It has a way of stretching the shoulders deeper, but in a very good position that you will not hurt yourself. We're going to repeat the same exercise on the other side by placing our right hand in between our knees. But if you want to grip something, you can hold on to your left calves or your left ankles. That's a very good way to stretch the shoulders without being in too much pain. After the side stretches, we're going to come back to puppy pose again and then stretch even more, focusing now on the lower back because it pulls the tension all the way off the shoulders and gets to the lower back. Slowly come to a needle by taking your left hand underneath the right hand side and you're stretching the right hand. Okay, this needle stretch, this needle pose is you are going from child's pose, so your legs can either be opened or a little bit closed like mine. Do what works for you, but this really helps to relieve the shoulders. So you're going to needle on the right hand side by placing the right hand underneath the left. After that, you're going to come on your knees as if you want to form the letter S with your body. Start by stretching your neck side to side, not low enough that your sides, your ribs are feeling the stretch. We're going to take 2 to 3 breaths here and just roll the neck. First of all, we're going to go clockwise, and then afterwards, we're going to go anti-clockwise. So go at your own pace, take your time, and just release this tension on your neck. After you've done 5 to 10 rolls on clockwise, in clockwise direction, change over to anti-clockwise direction, taking it slow and just relieving your neck. Now we're going to interlink our fingers behind us, open up our chest, and your neck is facing up. Inhaling and exhaling as much as you can. Inhale and exhale. Now, slowly, you're going to take your left hand over on top of your right knee and stretch your right hand all the way to the back. After that, you're going to place it beside your head and turn even deeper, allowing your spine to turn with you. Now, we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So take your left hand behind your head or your neck and let your right hand grab your left knee. Turn as long as your spine allows you. Take another deep breath and then sink into your hips. Inhale, exhale, you rise up again. We're going to do that 3 more times. Inhale, you're going to open up your chest, looking up. Exhale, you're going to come back down. Now slowly go to cat-cow now, because cat-cow is a very good pose to help us stretch our shoulders, our neck, our back, our waist, and even our stomach. So guys, we're going to go all the way. Inhale, you're heading up. Exhale, you're rounding your back and looking towards your belly button. Inhale again, head up. And exhale, you round. Now guys, we're going to come to sitting. Your most comfortable seating position. We're going to start again by neck rolling, adjusting as needed. Now take your left hand over to the right side of your ear and pull it down to the left hand side. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Pressure is very minimal, but strong enough to get you to move. And the same thing on the right hand side. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to bring our thumb, interlink our fingers behind our head and close down. As we inhale, we are pressing, and as we exhale, we are opening up our chest. Let's do that 3 to 5 times, depending on what you would like or how much tension you would like to have around your neck. Squeeze neck down, almost like your elbows are coming together, and as you exhale, you open up. Let's go. Inhale, squeeze, and exhale, you're going to open up. Now, guys, let's go one more time. Squeeze in, press, 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 and exhale, we're going to open back up. Now, release your hands, bring your thumb underneath your chin, and lift your neck up. The pressure is minimal but strong enough for you to feel something from the front of your throat all the way to your neck on the back. So keep pulling as you breathe in and exhale, come back down. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, we're going to come to yogi squat. Yogi squat or malasana is a very good pose, but we're going to focus on bringing our shoulders up because these exercises are focused on the shoulders. So you're going to place your hands on your thigh or your knee and interswitch it. So you squeeze and open up the shoulders, left shoulder in, right shoulder out, just like that. Okay, we're going to stretch the shoulder, open up the hips, but focusing on aligning our shoulders to feel the stretch. Now, guys, we're going to come sitting. We're going to do some side stretches. We've already done some side stretches earlier, so this is just going to have a way of putting everything together. So you're going to take your left hand and grab your right toes, and your right hand is going all the way to the back. Reach, open up the shoulders. We're not interested in the spine. We're just seeing how far your shoulders can stretch in that position. Repeat the same exercise on the other side. Just turn, open up the shoulders, see how far your shoulders can open up. Inhaling and exhaling as much as you can. Now, guys, you're going to come and lie down. Your both legs are planted on the mat. Catch your breath as needed. We're going to place our fingers on our shoulders and do some gentle clockwise and anti-clockwise movement. Inhaling and exhaling. At this point, you're going to feel so relaxed, especially if you had a workout before this stretch routine, or if you started on it, your body will just melt into it. So after going clockwise and anti-clockwise, guys, we're going to bring our knees to chest. And then we're going to drop it down and go straight to bridge. So in bridge beginners, you want to interlink your fingers underneath your glutes. Advanced and intermediate, you want to just be able to touch your heels as you lift up. Let your lower back feel that stretch. Now, the second set, we're going to grab both ankles and lift up even more. After that, you're going to come down, soles of your feet together. Your left hand is on your belly button. Your right hand is on your chest. Well done, everybody. We have completed our yoga stretch for neck and shoulder pain. Hope you followed along and hope you had something new to add to your routine whenever you have to do walks on your shoulder and your neck. Straight down, we're going to Savasana. important for resting the whole body, for relaxation, and for recovery. So this is just the whole sequence. It has a way of pulling you in, stretching you, and allowing you to see how far you can open up your shoulders and your other side. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember that if you really enjoyed this video or you liked it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with other people, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Take care of yourself and bye.